Two-story house design connects to nature with in-between open spaces. Introduction: a fusion of architecture and nature. Welcome to Decor Essence, where we explore inspiring home designs that harmonize modern living with nature. In today's video, we delve into a stunning two-story house design that not only elevates the aesthetic of your home but also strengthens its connection to the natural world. This house features in-between open spaces that bridge the gap between the indoors and outdoors, creating a seamless flow of natural light and ventilation. If you love innovative design solutions and are interested in sustainable, nature-inspired homes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave a comment below about your thoughts on this beautiful design. Let's dive in. Bringing the outdoors in, the concept of open spaces. One of the defining features of this two-story house design is its use of open spaces between rooms. These open areas serve as visual and physical connectors to the outdoors, allowing natural light to flood the interior while also offering unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape. By integrating these open spaces, the design allows for an uninterrupted transition between the inside and outside, creating a sense of unity with nature. This open design promotes airflow and a feeling of freedom, which is particularly important in homes that aim to reduce maximizing natural light and ventilation. In a two-story house design, maximizing natural light and ventilation is key to creating a comfortable and eco-friendly living environment. The open spaces between rooms function as airways, allowing cross-ventilation that cools the house naturally and reduces the need for air conditioning. The large windows and strategically placed openings ensure that sunlight reaches deep into the heart of the house, brightening the interior and providing warmth during the colder months. This design principle not only cuts energy costs but also makes the house more sustainable by creating a strong connection to nature. A core element of this two-story house design is its ability to connect inhabitants with nature. By incorporating in-between open spaces and large windows with stunning views, the house becomes a canvas for the surrounding landscape. Whether it's a lush garden, a forest, or a beautiful courtyard, the natural world becomes an integral part of daily life. These spaces allow for the enjoyment of nature from within the home, making it feel as though the house is an extension of the environment itself. This connection to nature provides a sense of tranquility and peace, offering residents an opportunity Outdoor living spaces, extending the home's reach. The open spaces aren't just limited to the interior of the home. The design incorporates expansive outdoor living areas that act as extensions of the interior rooms. These outdoor areas, often equipped with seating, dining, or garden features, allow residents to enjoy the outdoors in comfort. With carefully placed landscaping and elements like patios, terraces, or balconies, the design creates a fluid transition from the inside to the outside. This approach to outdoor living extends the usable square footage. The role of vertical space, elevating the design. Incorporating vertical elements into the design of a two-story home maximizes space and enhances the sense of openness. The in-between open spaces are designed to span the height of the house, creating a visual link between the floors and offering a sense of grandeur and scale. These vertical open spaces allow for large, dramatic views of the landscape and bring a sense of openness to the upper floor that is often missing in traditional home designs. This clever use of vertical space provides both aesthetic and practical benefits, opening up the design while ensuring that the house feels spacious. Natural materials, enhancing the eco-friendly aesthetic. The materials used in this two-story house design are carefully selected to enhance the natural aesthetic of the home. Wood, stone, glass, and other natural elements are incorporated to create a harmonious balance with the surrounding environment. The use of timber and other organic materials in the construction of the open spaces and the home's framework allows the building to blend seamlessly with the landscape. The earthy tones of the materials further reinforce the connection to nature, ensuring that the house feels grounded and organic. This sustainable approach to building not only improves the aesthetics but also privacy in open spaces, creating intimate nooks. While open spaces encourage connection with nature, privacy remains a top priority in home design. This two-story house ensures that, even within its open framework, there are intimate, private nooks and corners that allow residents to enjoy peace and solitude. The strategic placement of screens, partitions, or natural barriers like plants helps define these spaces while maintaining the open feel. These private retreats within the larger open spaces are perfect for moments of relaxation, reading, Sustainable design practices for a green future. As we continue to see the rise of eco-conscious living, this two-story house design embraces sustainable building practices to ensure a minimal environmental impact. The open spaces promote energy efficiency by reducing the need for artificial lighting and maximizing natural ventilation, while the choice of materials ensures that the house is built with sustainability in mind. The use of renewable resources, energy-efficient appliances, and rainwater harvesting systems are just some of the green initiatives that make this home not only beautiful but also environmentally responsible. Conclusion: the future of home design. In conclusion, the two-story house design with open spaces represents the future of modern architecture, where homes are not just structures but living environments that are deeply connected to nature. Through thoughtful use of open spaces, vertical elements, and natural materials, this design creates a sanctuary where residents can enjoy the best of both worlds, comfort and nature. If you love the concept of eco-friendly homes that embrace the outdoors, make sure to subscribe to Decor Essence, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this design. We look forward to bringing you more home design inspirations in the future.